ulitin natin. Wala kasi siya sinusundan, alam mo yun.
Ikaw, hindi dyan.
Rock, rock.
Right! I miss you! Tara dito, nag-live ako. Hello! Wait lang, dito muna kayo. Mamalitan ko lang yung mic. Ako muna ay. Uto mo nun! Gusto ko ba? I won't give up on him.
Diwaw niyo, diwaw.
Ano na to? Hala, ano to?
Exit lang.
Support. How deep is your soul? Wait lang, ay last lang. Nafe-feel kasi yung hindi acoustic. Ayan. This song is brought to you by Hereri. Sa YouTube kasi ako nanonood eh.
Experience the V-Cut effect. One exciting crunch perks you up.
Ayan. Oh my God! Stay lang kayo, magkakanta ka tayo eh. We're going to sing.
Ha? Habang?
Oh my God, this song just feels like
This song is brought to you by
Efficacy
Technomarine.
Ladies and gentlemen, let's feel this. And let's, yeah. Okay. When I look into your eyes, it's like watching the night sky or a beautiful sunrise. There's so much they hold, and just like the most stars, I see that you've come so far to be right where you are. How old is your soul? Well, I don't give up on us, even if the skies get rough. I'm giving you all my love. I'm still looking up, and in your space to do something of vacated. I'll be here patiently waiting to see what you like. 'Cause even the stars they burn, some even fall to the earth. I got a lot to learn. God knows we weren't it. No, I won't give up. Okay ba? Bakit? Grabe.
Ano, request?
Ano next song? Request kayo ng next song.
Request ikaw, Pyok.
Next song. Sabihin nyo. Next song.
Okay, Pyok. Yung.
Baby this time, dilaw. Balang araw.
Tames.
Laklak.
Tames. Kesa na dito.
Hindi ko kaya yung
Isa na
best of
yan.
the Fairy.
Ireklamo nyo lang ito.
Kesa na dito ito.
Pakantayin si Kuya. Sige, wait lang.
Kiss.
Leaves.
Sir?
Hindi, ano na lang.
Ano nyo lang ginagawa?
Ay, palagi. Sige. Palagi. Ay! Oh my gosh.
Hindi lang ay. Live pa din.
Palagi.
Ang singing contest.
Yeah, singing contest. Palagi.
Great, taas ng bun palagi bun.
Ha? Carry lang.
Kay DJ Monte... Ano? Monte Birthday.
Oo.
Miss Elto to.
Go lang, wait lang.
Diyan kita. Masat kita atin dyan.
Okay lang. Ito na rin yung request nyo. Wait lang.
Nag-ano ako, nag-request na ito na asawa na.
Reason.
Present. Ayan o. Hinaharap yung ko. Chares. Hello. Hello. Ay, no. Hello. Hello.
Wati?
Hello?
Hello. Ano mo ba yun? Hello.
Give fire my chest.
Aray. Naglawan ka.
Pinagkas mo ba eh?
Nag-round ako.
Wait lang. I-post na yung post. Wait lang. Diyan lang si...
Nag-grounded ay.
Nakuryente siya. Nag-round. Nakakalaw.
Nagabot si Dribi.
Gaano ba? Ano yan mo?
Over na.
Wow.
On be.
Buyag to. Loner. Ano pa kami nagabay?
Hello.
Pwedeng program.
Wala na. Zero. Sila na. Hello.
Ang ginagawa nga yung pagkatakan utang ano ran okay. Pepper, mong ulo.
Ginano mo ba kayo na?
Paano ka?
Pag na ka ano.
Sige, be.
Piyok! Dahil na piyok!
Hello.
Ato ay,
Hello.
Try natin dyan sa ano.
Hello. Hello.
Hindi ka
Oo, din sa mud.
Hello? KJ.
Yeah!
Hello. Grabe. Sira na agad. Iyan niya kasi inipit niya yung paa niya, ginanon tapos parang na-stretch agad dito sa loob. Nasira tuloy. Mahal pa naman yan.
Okay ka.
Dilaw. Hello po Kerat. Hello. Ginanon kasi niya ginakanta ko tapos inano niya.
Okay.
Kalma.
Kinipili.
Pa-shout out sa live nito.
Galay ba ko?
Sisinya ako natin. Kagawad din niya.
Hello.
Thank you, Ben. Ang bait ng pamangkin ko, di ba? Sobrang bait.
Kagawad din niya.
Shout out kay Kawad Senya. O, di ba?
Ayun. Nag-ano, rin to kayo nag.
Iinis ako sa'yo. Talaga.
Then. Jota nag-ano kayo na pa din.
Diyan, naging tungtong, inano kasi niya pa na AFET. So, parang. Yung sinaksakan ng mic. Oo nga, ano na.
Kita nga bata ho.
Piyok!
Po, shout out po. Shout out sa'yo.
Dan, sige. Dan, igpita na ano. Dan, be.
Sa remote. Ay, sa remote. Ano sa remote?
Abdul, kaya?
Na-mute ko? Wait lang.
Restart ang video ke.
Try, be.
Iwi.
Ang remote.
Grabe, pag naano talaga yan. Sobrang OA.
Babandod mo na.
Sige, be.
Thank you sa gift.
Ayun.
Ayun.
Ay, okay. Thank you.
Shout out sa mga babae natin dyan, guys.
Uy.
Ay, sorry, ma. Oh, there, Fred.
Play.
Di ba pakita sa giver sa live, ano, bawal ang baby.
Oh, bata.
Where is the remote?
Hello.
Wala naman yung remote.
Wait lang. Ayos, sanda lang. May problema dyan sa ano.
Inaayos lang yung TV. Parang OA. Hi! Oh my God, I'm so excited. Remote naman nawala.
Tapos,
Dito yung remote, dito na.
ayan.
How old is his soul? Anong kanta yung kakantahin?
Pa-request sa saan ba?
Request.
Pagpag.
Pagpag.
Papogi anay, papogi anay. Ay, Suffer Pogi.
Ayun, nami yan.
Ano? Hindi ako kaya na side, Let me be. Let me be. No, dalam. Ano, wala na. Dan!
Let me be.
Let me be the one.
Naman ano?
Ito, para to sa'yo. Sobrang loud. Hindi, ano naman yun sa ano? Hello. Sige. Grabe. Hello sa inyo.
Ginuyaman naman siya. Pinapay.
Sorry. Oh my God, this song is brought to you by Ifigkas at araw-arawin nyo. Ka muna Rolling in the deep. Wait lang, isa lang tayo mag-request Hala, what's happening? No, what's happening? Okay. Somebody told me you were leaving. I didn't know. Somebody told me you were happy, but it doesn't show. Somebody told me that you don't want me no more. No. So you're walking out the door, you'll be crying every night. Nobody told me you've been dying, they didn't want to fight. Nobody told me that you fell out of love from me. Oh my God, baby. So I'm setting you free. Let me be the one to break it up, so you would have to make excuses. You would need to find a setup where someone loses. Tagabi na itong kanta na to. Hello. And goodbye. Oh my God, nakakaiyak. Nakakaiyak tong kanta na to. Thank you sa Train Hot kay Ma'am Regina. Suffer. Somebody told me you still love me. I don't know why. Nobody told me you were lonely, needed time to fly. Told me that you want to come back when our love is real again. Let me be the one to break it up, so you would have to make excuses. We didn't need to fight a setup where someone wins and someone lost us. We just had to say I was true, but it's never gonna I'm telling you I love you one last time. And goodbye, just turn around and walk away. You didn't have to live like this, no. But if you stop me and say, find a kiss, we can work together through this test. We can work to it apart. We just need to fight this off my chest, or you will always have my heart. Let me be the one to break Ah,